Barack was making fun of my outfit today because he says that many things don't match each other, like this bag and the shoes. We're at this place for lunch. It's called Taste of Xinjiang. First thing that came up is this kaobaozi, which is like a barbecued bun that's stuffed with meat and veggies. Lamb skewers and baked naan. I added everything inside the pot, and now I am going to add 1 cup of water, and then it's going to simmer and reduce for about an hour. See you in 1 hour. It's later in the evening and we came here to see a lantern festival. It happens only once a year. Yeah. So there's lots of people here. Da, 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 da. I already started to eat and I forgot to film. This is so cool. Today it's like over 30 degrees. It's so hot to walk outside with the sun. It feels in my hand like an ice pack. So you just squeeze and then shake. Wow, that's amazing. We just got to Tokyo's National Museum is here in Ueno. This exhibition is the 150th anniversary. The admission is free. So we just got inside. There's a couple of exhibition halls. Was craving to eat this for a while now, and today I finally got it, even though it's raining outside, but I went very early. I'm gonna indulge this.
こちらで9番の、はい、ありがとうございます。
クラブ、
コロッケ、はい。あ、聞いた。なんか前から。あ、そうなんです。あれです。この料理が、抗菌、滅菌、除菌だって。
starving. So I got to this place called For Line. It's a Thai restaurant in Omotosanto. Trying out for the first time. This is our meal tonight. Tacos. Freshly baked and came out from the oven. Do you feel anything?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. For those of you who don't know,
Hello! It's been a few days since I vlogged. Now I decided to come out to look for a place to have lunch. It is steamy hot in Tokyo today. The sun is super strong. I came out maybe 10 minutes ago. I already started to sweat. My plan is get to Roppongi and I want to go to the Lululemon store. Buy some pants, maybe some shorts or long pants. I haven't decided yet. Since my belly is getting bigger, so I probably now only have maybe 2 or 3 pair of comfortable maternity pants. Probably you have seen already my pregnancy video. It's finally out. I can finally vlog normally and I don't need to hide anything now. I'm picking up a dessert.